What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a 2004 Toyota 4Runner, and I got a pry bar here that I'm gonna put to the side. The hood on this car doesn't stand out because the hood shocks are dead. So these are the hood shocks over here. This is the brand if you guys want to look for. The part number is right there. It reads 613070. Lift Sports. Few things I want to tell you guys. It's the same part number right and left. Let me just take this out of the package here if I can. I don't even know how this package opens. I think I gotta rip it open. I'll do that in a moment. So we got two of these, and what we're gonna do is, first of all, I want to show you guys what's going on here. So as we lift this little guy, this is very heavy. Oh my god, this doesn't even go up. But I'm gonna support this with my pry bar here. Got no other option. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get some tools, and I'm gonna show you guys how to remove these and install the new hood shocks. So I went and got me some tools. I just want to tell you guys a few things before you try anything. So first, match up a socket that, I'm sorry, a wrench that fits on it, and this baby fits on it really good. Same thing down here. Okay, so it's a 12 millimeter on this baby. It could be different size. So what I want you guys to do is, first of all, be careful you don't hurt yourself. If you move this hood around, this guy right here, the pry bar might leave, and then you no longer have support. And these things are completely shot here. Okay, let's see if it comes out. Yep, it's coming out. Some shocks usually have like a little bracket in the back you could pull off, and you could reuse the same stud. But in our case, we don't have the option. We have to install the new ones. So, like I said, do not hurt yourself. You're not gonna be able to support this freaking hood on its own. So we got one side out. There we have it. One side is out. We're gonna try to look at the other side, if you guys can see it together with me here. Let's see if the camera can focus there. We'll just take the light and put it here, so it's able to see a little bit. It's doable. So this one is kind of clockwise, but if you're looking from the back, so it will turn this way. So you would go from bottom up. I did pre-loosen these, so be careful. If you did not loosen these, it might not come out as easy as I did here. So I'm not gonna be able to turn this by hand, and I'm not gonna put my head in there. It's one thing, me getting my arms crushed. I tried number 11, it didn't work, so 12 is the one. Okay, it's the same process on the opposite side, so I'm only gonna be showing you one side, but do the same thing on the other side. And few turns. That's all I'm doing, turning. And this baby comes out. This washer comes with it. So this is completely dead. As you can see, this is completely freaking dead. Okay, I'm gonna go get the new one, and we're gonna unpack this guy right here. Ah, come on. There you go. So this comes out of the package. Okay, you see this one is different. It has these little things that you could pick out, and so the next time you have to change, all you have to do is pick this out and pull this off. You don't have to remove the stud unless the stud needs to be replaced. So let me get the stud out of this package. There should be two studs in here. There you go. And it comes with some washers. Okay, you take one washer, and what you want to do here is you're going to align this. This might be a different size. I'm not sure if it's a 12. Yeah, it's not a 12 no more. It might be 13. So I'm going to go match up a socket. Instead of a wrench, I'll match up a socket. So there we have it. So this is a 13 millimeter. Oh, going the wrong way. Now we're going clockwise, okay? First I already caught the threads. There you go, that's that. I'm gonna move up the camera. here. Whoops. I apologize for that. So the next step is same thing. You take this little guy, catch the threads. If you want to put some anti-seize, it's up to you. There you go. Just hand tight, nothing crazy. Next step, I'm gonna be using this grease here. You could use any grease. I'm gonna put a little bit of grease here and a little bit of grease on the bottom stud. Okay, that did the same thing down there. And the final step. So what I want to do is I want the camera to face down so we can see over here, and then I'll have the camera face up. Okay, let's change the camera down. If the camera is able to see down here. So this part got to be up, this got to be in the bottom. So all you do is you grab this little guy and you yank it in. Okay, that's that. So now this is where things get a little tricky. We're gonna face up, we're gonna move our knife up. So I do need to lift the hood up so my pry bar comes down. My shock has to go in just like that. And the other shock might be still good because it's still holding on to it. You see that now it's able to stand up on its own. I no longer need the support of this little guy. But I do want to change that because if one is shot, the other one is gonna go eventually. So we make sure you do support. I'm not gonna record that side, but I'll show you guys once I'm done. But when you're changing other side, don't rely on one, okay? I want you guys to kind of hold on to it, and I want you guys to put this in there just like that so you don't hurt yourself. So there we have it. Thank you for watching this video, but let me finish out the rest of the job and I'll show you both in. So this side is kind of shot, so since it's on the inside, we can heat it. So it doesn't want to turn, it wants to strip. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to kind of heat it. You also could cut this off and put a socket on, but I want to make sure I feel the hood. Using a mini torch, it's like a $40 torch. You can pick this up from Home Depot. So once it's hot, be careful you don't burn yourself. I'm feeling the hood itself too. Okay, I'm gonna try now and take it easy. If it doesn't come off, I'm gonna have to try another spot because the first one got kind of stripped. I see it moving, yep. So play around with it. If that's the case, whoop, it snapped from the back. I think it wasn't turning on the inside of, holy cow. I think it wasn't turning on the inside of this. Yeah, it was seized up in there. I think that was a real issue there. So you guys got to at least see the second one being done here. It's gonna be hot. Oh, it hit the floor, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna take off the other side. I loosened up the other side already. So, good that you guys got to see both now. Okay. So if you come across an issue like that, it doesn't want to come out, heat is the way, okay? But you don't want to damage the paint, anything like that. Oh, where's my tool? Can't be dropping my tools in there. Oakley dokley. What's going on? I was tired of putting the pry bar on this truck because this truck comes to me a lot. So as you can, this was dead too. So it really was holding on to one shock. So I gotta get the second shock now. Okay, so same procedure, guys. I am gonna end the video here. Same procedure. Okay, I got these. If you guys would ask me where I got these from, They're not cheap. They're like 40 bucks each, okay? And I got these from a local parts store called Buywise here up in northern New Jersey. Okay, so washer and a stud. Washer and a stud. Where are you? No, I'm gonna just finish out this video so that way everyone is happy. There's that. There's that. So I'm gonna go get some grease. Little bit of grease on this stud. Little bit of grease on that stud. Okay, if you want to pack up the inside of that, that's fine too. You do gotta put grease in it. And now what I want to do is I want to take out my pry bar here one more time. It's really being held on by one shock. That's amazing. Usually the cars won't do that. So the bottom one first. It should snap right in. There you go. And then we will lift this up and put the top one in. Okay, another thing that you need to do is you need to close this up. It should fully close. If your shocks was the wrong size, it's not gonna close. It's gonna give you trouble. Okay, so let's try that right now. I'm not gonna lock up the hood. I just want to kind of put the hood down. As long as it reaches down, it should be good to go. So yeah, those are pretty tough little guys. Yep, we still got about, okay, yep, it's pretty good. So you should be able to do that. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like so the hood opens up on its own and stands up. See you guys in the next video. Pretty long video, but it's worth it.